I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the kiss. I knew he better get it on time. I'm sending.
What is going on, beautiful people? I am Chev. If you're new here, welcome to GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. For today, we're gonna be doing this review for LuvMeHair.com. So this is from their All Day Comfort Wig series. Okay, ladies, this is their Yaki straight wig, and this is layered cut, so it's already layered for us. It is definitely a closure wig. It's 7x6. The lace is looking flawless. Like, look at that lace straight out of the package. And the parting space, yes ma'am. I did my cornrows myself. They're not the neatest, they're not the flattest, but I tried, child, because my hair is like really short, and so I put a little braiding here just to help me with the grip. But it was a struggle, so I hope it's not like Humpty Dumpty up top. This lace is very much see-through. It is giving very much scalp. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything done for you. The layers in the wig is already created, because I know a lot of times sometimes we try to create our own little layer and it doesn't pan out because we ain't professional. So they already did that for us. It comes with an adjustable strap on the inside, and I like these straps because they have the grid, this little grip thingamajig that holds onto the back of your head so you can wear the wig glueless. I'm a lazy girl. I can't be bothered with ball cap method and doing all the extra stuff. I like when my wig, especially when you're paying a good amount of money for your wig, you want it to be quality. You want at least a lot of things done for you straight out of the package so that you can just do the little tweaking to customize it to your head. But that's just it. Even though it's a Yaki straight wig, it is giving like body. Look at that flow. It's not stiff. She got body. So the cap that is used for this wig, because I was trying to see if there was a size to it, because usually I wear average size caps, but the cap that is used is very stretchable and flexible, so it's a one size fit all type of cap. It got that flex, so they advertise it as a maxi stretch so that it doesn't give you a headache. So if you're like me, I can't sleep in wigs. That's why I don't do ball cap methods personally, because I want to take my wigs off at night because the tension on my head is ridiculous. Also, this is a new feature of a wig I have never seen before. Like, y'all, look at this. It looks almost like a baseball cap. So this is what you're gonna use to adjust your wig, so you can literally, looks like you're opening the wig. And it has these combs here so that you can adjust it if you want it to be tighter or looser. So this is what they call the smart clip for that adjustment. But first, before I put on the wig, I just want to put some powder on my lace. Like, I don't feel comfortable until I put, especially since I'm wearing makeup, I need that bronze look on my lace. I'm going to adjust the inside first. Okay, so to disguise my lace, I know we're gonna ignore our little hump situation right here. Our hot comb is getting ready. So I'm gonna use this bronzing powder. It's from Sephora, and I'm going to dab that on my lace directly so that it can blend with my skin. I'm gonna just put some on this side as well. You can brush your edges in to give it a flawless look, you know, just in case the wind blows. And also, I did leave out a bit of my edges on the side. The hair and the cut is giving me very much 90s Alea vibe. I'm more of a behind the ear type of girly, just a little bit for a little sideburn situation, so that I didn't have to put any product on the hair, because I'm like, I don't want to put anything on here. I just want it to look natural. So let's get this hump under control, child. So I'm gonna take some anti-frizz serum, and this is a really good oil to use on your hair. It's super lightweight. It won't let it look greasy. It will just give it like a natural shine. So if you're capable of getting your cornrows to be super flat, unlike me, do that. This will make this part redundant. You won't even need to do all of this, but a girl is trying, okay? I can't get my cornrows super flat, so I gotta do all this extra stuff. And if you guys can see, I'm like curling the hair with the flat iron inwards just so we could emphasize the layers. So you're just gonna take your flat iron and then bend it in. I feel like I want to cut the front a little bit more to frame my face. Yeah, this style is very much giving 90s. Let me know. Let me know. Okay, no, I'm not gonna torture y'all by singing, okay? Cause I will. I'm gonna write you a 4-page letter. That was so off key. And I'ma seal it with a kiss. And let me just say, you don't have to do this part because it's very much fine down here. But I need it to be a little bit more short in the front. So what I do is I hold my scissors downwards and I cut going down like that. I'm contemplating, should I move the parting just a little bit this way? Yeah, you see what a little adjustment does? Oh, the layers are eating. So I'm gonna cut just a little piece right here for when I want to wear it behind my ear, that we can just do a little swoop. So we're just gonna cut in like a layering motion, like nothing crazy. And then I'm gonna take my flat iron and curl it inward. I'm just gonna take this edge brush. I did my edges in earlier, so there's just like a little bit of edge control left on the brush. Nothing too much that would cause the lace to like cake up. Just enough where it will swoop in where I want it to swoop, but there's not much product on there. Because I know some of y'all ain't like edges. But it's technically not edges, we're just swooping. We're not creating baby hairs. Look at that, it's super light. We can always brush it back if we don't like it, because there's no commitment to it because there's no product on it. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Yeah, I need y'all to see that this is still glueless. So I don't want y'all to think I glue it down, girl. No, she is still completely glueless. And she's secured. Okay, flip what? Let me show you how free parting. So if you wanted to wear this here in a center part, like look at that lace. So you could definitely wear this here in a center part if you're more like a bust down girly, and then you could do it this way and then layer the sides, but we're gonna keep it this way. You can always switch your sides. You're just gonna need to use a hot comb to mold it to the side that you want. I'm a claw clip girly, so let's try this style with a claw clip. Okay, also this is our final look. Let me know what you think about this unit in the comments down below. The link with this hair with all the details that I mentioned will be in the description box below, so make sure you click that link so you can get your very own all day comfort wig, because she is sitting lightweight on my head. Like, I'm really nervous with it because it's like, it's so freaking lightweight. I don't feel any tension at all, but I know she's secured. Like, she is definitely very much secured. Okay, y'all, so this is sort of like an update. So I reinstalled the wig about maybe 5 days later, and what I wanted to do was create a little swoop with the bangs in the front, like to just highlight the layers a little bit more. So I'm using this 1.5 barrel curling iron and just create that little swoop to the side just to emphasize the layers, and also just to cut it a little bit more. So if you want, you can go in with the scissors again just to shape that down. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. It is so cute and effortless, and again, I'm wearing it glueless because it was that easy to go on. All the details for the wig will be in the description box down below. Look at that movement. Oh my god, it is sitting so flat this time around because I did get my hair flat. Thank y'all so much for watching. One, big up on yourself. Bye guys.